Welcome to Driving Thrill. Today, we're diving into the world of innovative car gadgets on Amazon you can't miss in 2024. From high-tech tools to must-have accessories, we've got the best picks that will elevate your driving experience. Let's get started. 1. Urban EcoFriendly, the three-wheeled electric hopper. You see a novelty in the world of urban transportation. The three-wheeled electric hopper. It's a hybrid of a bicycle and a car, perfect for those who want an eco-friendly ride that's also comfortable and protected from the rain. Measuring just 6 feet and 11 inches long, it features 2 car-like seats and a roof overhead, with open sides to ensure fresh air. Riding on 3 wheels, 2 in the front and 1 in the back, this vehicle reaches a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per h, classifying it legally as a bicycle. The 250-watt electric motor assists with pedaling, and a single battery charge lasts for 65 kilometers. Adding a solar panel can extend your range by 5 kilometers with just an hour of sunlight. Available in passenger and cargo versions, the hopper includes amenities such as a steering wheel with a display, USB charging, and a heated windshield. 2. Easy loading, the folding ramp for vans. Next up is a folding ramp designed for vans, ideal for loading strollers with ease. This ramp attaches directly to the van's floor and requires no assembly, just set it up and go. It's triple foldable, so when not in use, you can fold it up and store it vertically by the door. Made of lightweight yet sturdy aluminum, the ramp features springs that aid in folding. It can handle up to 300 pounds on a single axle and 600 pounds on 2 axles. For smoother lifting, there's a special adapter to reduce the incline angle. This compact and reliable ramp makes loading and unloading strollers or scooters effortless. 3. Portable high-pressure washer for on-the-go cleanliness. For those who value cleanliness, a portable high-pressure washer is a game-changer. This compact device delivers a water jet 8 to 10 times more powerful than a standard faucet, reaching 6 meters in just 10 seconds. Battery-operated, it offers 90 minutes of use per charge and can draw water from various sources, including buckets and rivers. The kit includes a 6-meter hose and a handy gun with a 6-in-1 nozzle for adjustable jet modes, as well as a foam nozzle for thick, even car washing foam. This high-pressure washer is perfect for cleaning cars, garden furniture, stairs, and more. 4. Noco Boost Plus GB40, your compact jump starter. The Noco Boost Plus GB40 starter is a compact yet powerful device for jump-starting dead car batteries. With 1,000 amps of power, it can start gasoline engines up to 6 liters and diesel engines up to 3 liters. The lithium-ion battery provides up to 20 starts per charge and includes a built-in flashlight with 7 modes including SOS and strobe. Its rugged waterproof housing, IP65 standard, ensures durability, while built-in safety features protect against polarity reversal, overvoltage, and short circuits. The Noco Boost Plus GB40 is an essential tool for every car owner, offering reliability and confidence on the road. 5. Works Car Vacuum Cleaner, compact and powerful. The Works Car Vacuum Cleaner is a compact yet powerful device designed for maintaining car interiors. It features a 106-watt motor that provides strong suction to remove dust and debris. The vacuum includes various attachments, such as a brush for hard-to-reach areas and a narrow nozzle for deep cleaning. Powered by the car's cigarette lighter, it is easy to use and store. Its filter is easy to clean and replace, ensuring consistent performance. With its stylish design and practical features, this vacuum cleaner is perfect for those who value a clean and tidy vehicle. 6. Hidden Power, Rough Country's Tacoma Winch. Introducing Rough Country's hidden winch for the 4th generation Tacoma. If you need powerful winching capabilities without compromising your Tacoma's sleek look, this hidden winch is the solution. Constructed from 7 and 11 gauge steel and finished in black matte, it offers both style and rust protection. Designed specifically for Rough Country's Pro 9500S and Pro 12000S models, it provides essential winching power while remaining discreet. The front guard features a laser-engraved RC logo, making it a stylish yet functional addition to your truck. 7. Reflective stickers, enhancing road safety. Enhance your road safety with reflective stickers. This set of 4 bright 3.7 by 1 inch stickers not only adds a decorative touch, but also improves visibility. Featuring prismatic technology, these stickers reflect light multiple times, making them visible day and night. Made from durable PET material, they are water-resistant and fade-proof. Suitable for all vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and motorhomes, they adhere securely thanks to their self-adhesive backing. Available in various colors, these stickers let you match or contrast with your vehicle's color. 8. LED Glow Wheel Light Kit. illuminate your ride. Transform your car's appearance with the LED Glow LED Wheel Light Kit. This kit includes 4 14-inch rings that mount to your brake shield or hub, illuminating your wheels with a rainbow of colors. With 18 primary colors and countless shades, you can customize your look with modes like flashing, scanning, running lights, and even synchronization with music. The rings are made from rust-proof aluminum and feature waterproof LED strips. The kit fits wheels from 18 inches to brake discs up to 13.5 inches and includes a remote control for easy color and mode changes. 9. 3-in-1 LED emergency lights. Stay safe on the road. The 3-in-1 LED emergency light set is perfect for roadside safety. It includes 2 flashlights with 3 modes: regular flashlight, red emergency signal, and SOS strobe. Designed to withstand rain, wind, and snow, these lights are reliable in any weather. The reflective lantern body ensures visibility even if the batteries run out. The set is compact, stored in a sturdy plastic case, and each flashlight operates on 3 AAA batteries. Ideal for keeping in your glove compartment or under the seat, these lights offer peace of mind during emergencies. 10. Lane Blade Advanced Road Debris Cleaner. Meet the Lane Blade, a revolutionary tool for road safety. Mounted on the front of a truck, it functions as a giant scraper, operated directly from the cab. With a press of a button, the blade lowers, allowing you to clear debris from the road without leaving the vehicle. Equipped with moving wings that contain the debris and a speed limiter of 32 km/h, it prevents trash from scattering. The Lane Blade also features a 170-degree camera for real-time monitoring and video recording. Constructed from solid steel with rust protection and a rubber pad on the blade, it's designed for efficient road maintenance. Thanks for joining us on Driving Thrill. We hope you found these innovative gadgets as exciting as we did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest in car tech and accessories. See you next time.